Nuclear power, two words that can mean limitless clean energy or total destruction. So which one is it? And this is why nuclear power could save or end the world. When most people hear nuclear, they think of mushroom clouds, Hiroshima, Chernobyl, or Fukushima. But nuclear energy is also one of the most powerful tools we've ever created, capable of lighting entire cities with just a handful of uranium when compared to traditional power sources. At its core, nuclear power comes from splitting atoms, a process called fission. A heavy atom like uranium-235 splits. It releases an enormous amount of energy, millions of times more than burning coal or oil. That energy heats water, creates steam, and spins turbines to make electricity, just like any power plant, but without producing greenhouse gases. That's why some scientists call nuclear energy the cleanest large-scale power source we have. A single gram of uranium contains as much energy as a ton of coal, and unlike fossil fuels, nuclear plants emit virtually zero carbon dioxide once built. Right now, as the world races to stop climate change, that's an enormous advantage. Countries like France get over 70% of their electricity from nuclear power. It's stable, efficient, and runs day and night. No sunlight or wind required. So if nuclear energy is so good, why isn't everyone using it? Because the same science that can save us can also destroy us. The first nuclear reactors were built during World War II, not to power homes, but to build weapons. The same uranium and plutonium used for peaceful energy can be refined to make atomic bombs. And in 1945, the world saw what that meant. Since then, every advancement in nuclear power has carried a shadow. The risk that one accident or one decision could turn energy into catastrophe. In 1986, the Chernobyl disaster in Ukraine released massive amounts of radiation after a reactor exploded during a safety test. Dozens died instantly. Thousands more were affected for decades. In 2011, Fukushima melted down after a tsunami hit Japan, releasing radioactive material into the ocean and air. Incidents like these terrified the public, and nuclear progress slowed worldwide. Plants were shut down, safety laws tightened, and the word nuclear became a warning label. But here's the truth. Modern nuclear technology is nothing like the reactors of the 20th century. Today's Generation 4 reactors are smaller, smarter, and built with passive safety systems, meaning they shut down automatically if something goes wrong. Some even run on the waste produced by older plants, recycling spent fuel instead of storing it for centuries. And speaking of waste, yes, nuclear waste is real. It stays radioactive for thousands of years. But what most people don't realize is that all the nuclear waste ever produced in the US could fit in a single football field, stacked a few meters high. It's dangerous, but contained, far less damaging than the billions of tons of CO2 we release into the atmosphere every year. Then there's fusion, the holy grail of energy. Unlike fission, which splits atoms, fusion joins them, the same process that powers the sun. If scientists can harness fusion on Earth, we could have nearly unlimited clean energy with almost no waste or meltdown risk. Projects like ITER in France and smaller private startups are inching closer every year. Some predict fusion power could become a reality within our lifetime. But even if nuclear power can save us, it could still end us. Over 12,000 nuclear warheads still exist today. A full-scale nuclear war could wipe out civilization, not just from explosions, but from a nuclear winter, where ash and soot block sunlight for years, freezing crops and ecosystems. That's the paradox of nuclear energy. The same atom can power a hospital or destroy a city. Our survival depends not on the science itself, but on how we choose to use it. Some experts argue that turning away from nuclear energy is more dangerous than embracing it. Without it, we rely more on fossil fuels, accelerating climate change, a slower but equally devastating threat. Others warn that increasing nuclear power means increasing the risk of accidents, terrorism, or political instability. Both sides are right, and that's the dilemma. The truth is, nuclear energy is neither hero nor villain. It's a tool, one that mirrors humanity's own dual nature. Our creativity can power the world or destroy it. It all depends on whether we build walls of fear or bridges of understanding. So yes, nuclear power could save the world. But if we lose control of it, it could end it too. And this is why nuclear power could save or end the world.